Did you know almost every coffee you drink today comes from just one simple idea? Espresso, and how you change it. But behind each cup of coffee, there's history, culture, and evolution. Hey everyone, welcome to Food Insign, where we break down food and drinks in the simplest and most interesting way possible. Today, we're exploring the most popular coffee types and the story behind each one. 1. Espresso. Let's start with the foundation of modern coffee. Espresso was invented in Italy in the early 20th century, during a time when people wanted coffee fast. The word espresso actually means pressed out in Italian. Hot water is forced through finely ground coffee under high pressure, creating a small, concentrated shot. It's bold, intense, and full of flavor. A good espresso has 3 layers: the body, the crema on top, and the aroma. This single shot became the base for almost every coffee drink we know today. 2. Americano. The Americano has an interesting history. It was created during World War II, when American soldiers in Europe found espresso too strong. So they added hot water to make it taste more like the coffee back home. That's how the Americano was born. It's simply espresso diluted with water, creating a smoother, lighter drink. It still has the depth of espresso, but is much easier to sip over time. 3. Latte. The latte comes from Italy, where latte simply means milk. This drink became popular globally because of its smooth and approachable taste. A latte is made with espresso and a large amount of steamed milk, with a thin layer of foam on top. Because of the milk, the coffee flavor is softer and more balanced. It's often associated with café culture, especially with latte art, turning coffee into a visual experience. 4. Cappuccino. Cappuccino also comes from Italy, and its name is inspired by the Capuchin monks, because the color of the drink resembles their robes. It has 3 equal parts: espresso, steamed milk, and milk foam. Compared to a latte, it has a stronger coffee flavor and a thicker texture. Traditionally, cappuccino is enjoyed in the morning in Italy, not after meals. It's a perfect balance between bold and creamy. 5. Flat white. Flat white originated in Australia or New Zealand, and there's still debate about which country created it first. It was designed to be a smoother, more refined version of coffee with milk. It uses espresso with a smaller amount of milk and very fine microfoam. This creates a silky texture and allows the coffee flavor to stand out more. It's stronger than a latte, but smoother than a cappuccino. 6. Macchiato. Macchiato means stained in Italian. It was originally created for people who wanted espresso with just a small touch of milk. So instead of adding a lot of milk, baristas would simply mark the espresso with a little foam. The result is still strong and bold, but slightly softened. It's a great choice for those who enjoy intense coffee without going fully black. 7. Mocha. Mocha has roots that go back to Yemen, specifically the port city of Mocha, which was historically a major coffee trading hub. Modern mocha, however, is more like a fusion drink. It combines espresso, milk, and chocolate. The chocolate adds sweetness and richness, making the drink feel more like a dessert. It's one of the most beginner-friendly coffee types, especially for people who don't like bitterness. 8. Cold brew. Cold brew is a relatively modern trend, but the concept has existed for centuries. It became especially popular in Japan and later in the US. Instead of using hot water, coffee grounds are steeped in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. This slow process extracts flavor differently. The result is smoother, less acidic, and naturally slightly sweet. It's perfect for hot weather and for people who prefer a softer coffee profile. So what's the takeaway? Most coffee drinks come from the same base, espresso. But by changing the ratio of milk, water, or technique, you get completely different experiences. Some are bold and intense, some are smooth and creamy, some are sweet and refreshing. And behind every cup, there's a story of culture and innovation. As for me, I'd go for a flat white. It has the perfect balance between strong and smooth. What about you? Which coffee type is your favorite? Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Food Insign for more simple and interesting food breakdowns. See you in the next video.